Hey there, welcome to my channel Code Canvas. In this JavaScript video, we will create a JavaScript function to create new string of specified copies of a given string. So I will show you what exactly I'm talking about. We will have a function, some function, okay, and in that function we will pass some string. For example, code or let's say JavaScript, okay, and we will pass a number, let's say 3. Okay, so this function should return the copy of this string 3 times. Okay, so it should return this string with number of argument, I mean the number which is given in second argument. Okay, so let's say we have a function like this, a value python, and it should be like this php3, and it will repeat string 3 times. If we pass 0, it doesn't make any sense, right? So it will not return anything, a blank string. And if we are passing negative values, also it will not return anything. Okay, so we will take care of that as well. All right, let's start creating the function for the same. Okay, first of all, we will create a function using ES6 method. Let's say repeat string, okay, is equal to function, and we will accept two parameters. First is string and the second is number, or you can simply give it n. Okay, and let's copy this function and call it. Let me add a log so we can see the result. All right, so first of all we need to check if n is less than 0. If the argument and number of repeated string which we want is less than 0, then we want to return false. Nothing to do. We might return like, are you kidding? Right? But we can simply return false as well. So we'll do that. Okay. If number of argument, I mean the n is greater than 0, then what we can do, we can simply return string dot JavaScript function is there, repeat. Okay, the number of count which we want to repeat. So it will return a string value that is made from count copies appended together. If count is 0, the empty string is returned. Okay, so it will return simply. So let's see what it returns. As you can see, it is returning JavaScript 3 times. Okay, so let's copy this and check our output. Okay, it is returning the same. We can simply copy this and paste it php 3 times. It will return 3 times php. Okay, the next thing we can paste is 0. Okay, so if we are passing 0, it will return blank string, an empty string. Nothing is there. Okay, so that doesn't make any sense. 0, you can't pass 0 to repeat something. You want to repeat, then you need to pass greater than 0. Okay, same as this, we can pass YouTube as -2, for example, and it will return repeating. Okay, but this doesn't look good, so we can simply return false. Return false. All right, so you can repeat string in JavaScript using string dot repeat function, and you need to make sure the count which you pass is greater than 0. All right, okay, that's all for this video, and the time is now for quick question. All right, let's say I have one string, for example, hello world. Okay, and I want an output that will return only hello. Okay, so using string function, You need to call a string function and it will return only hello out of this hello world string. So what you can do, please leave your comments and let me know how can you achieve this, and I will solve this issue, I mean solve this question in the description itself. All right, that's all for this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my video and share with your friends and colleagues. All right, thank you.